Right now, I'm gonna be showing you how to actually get Hive fruit seed. If you need Hive fruit seed, you're watching the one and only video that will actually explain how you can actually get yourself the Hive fruit seed in Grow a Garden. As you guys can see, we got a bunch of mushrooms. Should I actually sell my mushrooms? I mean, I don't really have any use case for these mushrooms, so I might as well just sell them all, right? Like, why do I even have these mushrooms? Mushrooms. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Can I collect this mushroom as well? Mushroom. Mushroom. Okay. There you go. Actually make some space. Actually make some space right now because there is no space. There's actually no space in my garden. Let's set it up to who is this guy? The Jeff guy, right? Sell my inventory. Anyways, if you would like to have yourself the one and only Hive fruit seed, simply go over to the queen bee, and as you guys can see, the queen bee has the Hive fruit seed right over here. If you click on the queen bee, you have to click on the queen bee and then you have to trade honey. Once you actually trade honey, you can see that the Hive fruit seed is over here and there's currently none on stock, but you can still buy it with Robux. So if you'd like to have one of these Hive fruit seeds for yourself, be sure to comment down below Hive fruit. Comment down below Hive fruit. Hive fruit. So once you actually comment down below Hive fruit, just like this, Hive fruit. There you go. Wait. I forgot a letter. No. Okay, never mind. You already know how to type it. Okay, you already know how to type it. Don't act clueless. On it. Mr. On it! Look, he's collecting the honeys. We also need to get more honey because we have only 40 honey and that is exactly enough. That is exactly enough to actually buy yourself the one and only Hive fruit seed, because I did play in the update, and inside of the update you could actually buy Hive fruit seed for 40 honey. So that's the value. That's actually the value of the Hive fruit seed that you can actually buy in Grow a Garden right now. So pretty much, guys, like the video, subscribe, and I hope you actually get the Hive fruit soon enough. I hope it actually gets on stock. Stop shaking.